I will be reviewing the Canvas Beauty brand Full Bloom line, and I ordered the pink kit, which includes 6 products, and I will share more about them in this video. So if you are interested, keep on watching. The first product that I am using today is the Full Bloom Hair Follicle Booster. And I really love the packaging. I love the gold and the purple. I've said this so many times, purple is my favorite color, so I like that. It's supposed to promote rapid hair growth, increase blood flow circulation to the scalp and hair follicles, helps with dandruff and dead skin buildup, helps with dry scalp, and there are antimicrobial and antifungal benefits to this. So it says to just apply a dime-sized amount to the hair and scalp until it lathers, thoroughly massage the scalp, cleanse the hair, let sit for 5 minutes, follow up with Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo and Conditioner. And it says in caps, this product must be used with Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo and Conditioner to restore the hair to the proper pH balance. This product is not meant to be used as a shampoo. And it says, again in caps, do not use without Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo and Conditioner. So I'm definitely going to listen to the instructions because it says it twice here and they are in all caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and smell it first. And it says Full Bloom, something in flowers. There are flowers as the lady's hair, so I'm assuming that it's gonna smell like flowers. See, there's a seal on it, so that's good for shipping purposes. And it looks like this is actually a blue color. I don't know if you can see that. So let's go there. And no, it does not smell like flowers. It smells like mint. Let's see if there's mint in here. Yep, there's tea tree oil, peppermint oil, and that is what I smell. So I'm assuming that it's gonna have like a little tingling effect on my scalp. And I have the Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo, says perfect for all hair types. Okay, I'm surprised that this is not pink because the bottle is obviously pink. It smells like bubblegum. With no parabens, sulfates, paraffins, synthetic colors, no DEA or animal testing, and it's supposed to replenish and lock in moisture, gently cleanse and condition the scalp without residue or buildup, safe for color-treated hair, and adds shine, restores and repairs cuticles, minimizes breakage and damage, and creates soft and tangle-free hair. Apply dime size to the hair and scalp until it lathers. It does lather right away. I like me a good lather. The directions say to thoroughly massage and cleanse the hair, leave in for 2 to 3 minutes, rinse and repeat. I thought it was very different for a shampoo to say that it wants you to leave it in for 2 to 3 minutes. I just wanted to show you guys the definition of the curls with just using shampoo. It was pretty cool that the shampoo was so moisturizing. Now the product claims to create soft and tangle-free hair, so I really wanted to test it out to see if it is really true to its word. After rinsing out the shampoo, my hair is already soft, so I'm very excited about that. Now I'm going in with the Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Conditioner. It is supposed to replenish and lock in moisture, gently cleanse and condition without residue or buildup. It is also safe for color-treated hair. It adds shine. My hair already feels nice and soft. Creates soft and tangle-free hair, restores and repairs cuticles, and it minimizes breakage and damage. It just glided right through my hair. What in the world? This is some good stuff here. Y'all, I wish y'all can feel how soft my product claims to create soft and tangle-free hair. And as you can see in this clip, my hair looks very soft and it's very manageable. I can easily comb through it, and there's very little breakage when I try to detangle with the conditioner in my hair. So after these 2 sections, I only have this much hair, which is not a lot. It's not a lot of hair. I like this stuff. This is already a winner in my book. So my hair is very soft. There's a lot of slip on this product on my relaxed hair as well as the natural section. Like I can run my finger through the whole thing. I wanted to show you how my hair looks while rinsing the products out. Now I am going in with the Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Deep Conditioner. It says to let sit in your hair for a minimum of 45 minutes. The longer the better, and you can also apply heat. Since my hair is low porosity, I always try to use heat while deep conditioning, and allows the deep conditioner to penetrate the cuticles of my hair better. A little heavy-handed today. I almost used half of the jar, but well, no, this is the only product that says apply generous amount. The other one said dime piece or dime size, and I don't think a dime size is enough on any natural girl's hair. So I did not follow the instructions all the way through because I used way more than a dime size. But this one I did use quite a bit of the deep conditioner. And I'll be back after I let that sit in for 45 minutes. And as always, I am using a t-shirt to dry my hair because it helps to retain the moisture as well as minimizing frizz and breakage. After deep conditioning, it was very easy to detangle and blow dry my hair. And now I am ready to measure my hair prior to using the Canvas Hair Growth Serum. I will be measuring my hair in 3 sections just to get an accurate count. So I'm doing behind both of my ears and right in the very front of my head. I measured 10 inches on both sides and then 11 inches in the front. So now that I've measured my hair, I'm going to go ahead and use the oil, and you can see that it still has the seal on it. So I'm going to go ahead and take that off. I am not a fan of this smell. It smells really, really bad. I can't even describe it. I'm trying to figure out what's in here. For hair textures 2C through 4C, there are multiple ways to do it. So I'm just going to apply it to my scalp every day for a month. This is supposed to be a month's worth of oil, and we will see what happens if my hair grows like dramatically over a month. I am now going to try the Canvas Beauty Edge Bay, or the Edge Tamer for all textures. Your edges will slick, fall in love. I'm going to open it for the first time, and it smells really good. It smells fruity, very thick. Okay, so I'm just taking off my scarf. It feels really good. So we'll see how long this lasts, but this is the final look. Overall, I really like the products. I started off with the follicle booster, and it's supposed to promote rapid hair growth, which is what I want. And so I liked how it made my scalp feel once I put it in. And it's not a shampoo. Well, they say on the bottle, it says, this product must be used with Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo and Conditioner to restore the hair to its proper pH balance. This is not meant to be used as a shampoo. In caps. And then again, under that, it says, do not use, in caps, without Canvas Beauty Full Bloom Amplifying Shampoo and Conditioner. So they say that twice. And it's probably for a reason, so I wouldn't want to test it without using the other two products to follow behind. So I'm excited to see my rapid hair growth. It's supposed to help with dry scalp and dandruff. I just took my braids out about a week ago, so I'm still like getting used to having a free and open scalp. So that was really good to massage into my scalp before applying the shampoo. So it was sort of like a pre-poo, and I really liked it. So I really like the shampoo. It gave me a really good lather. If you've watched a few videos on my channel, you know I love me a good lather, and so it did that. And it has no parabens, sulfates, or paraffins, or synthetic colors. So the fact that it doesn't have any of that, it's an all natural product, and it still gave me a good lather, was a really good. My scalp felt clean, and it's supposed to reduce the amount of breakage. The conditioner, it left my hair feeling hydrated, and it was very strange that it says gently cleanses and conditions without residue or buildup. You don't usually see a conditioner say that it cleanses the hair, because that's not really the job of a conditioner. It's supposed to put moisture back into our hair. So that was very interesting, but I can say that my hair did feel soft, it felt hydrated, and it was easy to detangle with the product, and there was really good slip even with my two different textures. And then we have the Infinitely Deep Conditioner, and this one, it tells you to leave it for 45 minutes. I left it in for about an hour. And this one, you know, you don't usually see conditioners like saying to leave it in for that long. I usually see like 10-15 minutes. So that was good that it's encouraging you to keep it on longer and to also apply heat for better results. So this was really good as well. And out of all the smells, I think I like the shampoo the most because it's a bubble gum. This one is very strong, and then this one, yeah, I don't like this one. Oh wow, this one smells like the oil actually. I don't really prefer it. And then of course I applied my oil after I blow dried my hair. I just massaged it in, and I will be applying this in my hair every single day for the next 30 days. So in addition to the oil, I'll be using the whole line for the next 30 days to see if my hair actually grows any more than it usually does in a month. I will be sure to create an updated video with the results of using this after 30 days. As far as the edge control, I do like it. I feel like it has a really good hold. And I don't know if I should come back at the end of the day to see how long this hold lasts, but I think I might do that actually. So I'll be back in a few hours to let you know how my edges look at the end of the day, to show you how long this edge control actually lasts. So I am back after letting the edge control sit in my hair for the day, and I didn't go outside. We're stuck in the house, so I didn't go outside and test the humidity or anything like that, but I did let it sit on for the day, and this is how it looks right now. It's still pretty slick and smooth, and you can kind of see the areas where I put too much on, but I really can't complain about this. It feels really smooth. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the content, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also click the subscribe button. It's right here, and click the bell to be notified whenever I post. And also leave me a comment down below if you plan on trying this Canvas Beauty brand line. I'm seeing it all over my Instagram and now my Facebook too, so it's everywhere. And I'm excited to see what this oil does to my hair in 30 days. I will be back in 30 days to give an update on this, and hopefully I'm praying and crossing my fingers for exponential growth. That is what I want. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. I wish I can get a warning like when there's like 5 minutes left.
Like, I think